Hello, world of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, McMahonX. It's your B Mitchie like Litchi here with another episode of Toys and Things. And welcome back to my living room floor where I have a package from Build-A-Bear. So let's just go ahead and dive into the plushy fun. Alrighty everyone, so as forementioned, I have a package from Build-A-Bear, and please excuse the camera if it's a little shaky. Of course, I'm using my phone with one hand to dig into this box for you guys to see. So recently I made a purchase from Build-A-Bear after I saw a new online exclusive item drop, and I just had to have it. And while I was picking out that one, I decided to go ahead and get another one as they had a free shipping special, so I couldn't pass up that good deal. So inside this box I have two new Build-A-Bears. So if you guys are new to my channel, well, welcome. And let me give you a quick rundown of how I do my unboxing videos. For one thing, I already opened up the box so you don't see me struggle with that. And of course, if there's any addresses or anything on the package, open up the flaps so we're not giving out any personnel information. Safety first. So I don't dig into these boxes until I start to film for you guys to see live, so you can see my reactions live, how I'm feeling, and my thoughts, opinions, etc., etc. So that is all captured live on camera with you guys whenever you tune in to watch this. So I just open up the box and open up the flaps a little bit, and so all I can see is what you guys are seeing right here, and I don't dig in until the camera is rolling. So let's just go ahead and fully open this box up from Build-A-Bear. Okay, so I talked about this in my previous Build-A-Bear videos, and if you haven't watched those and you're a Build-A-Bear fan, please do so. But Build-A-Bear loves to just throw their plushies in a box. I don't have a problem with this because they're obviously not going to get damaged, they're plushies, but I do think they should be wrapped in some sort of bag on the off chance that the box gets damaged and there's holes in the box. Trust me, I've seen that. And then if you have maybe ordered some accessories or something like that, or some clothing, that could have a chance of falling out, or dirt and everything has a chance of seeping in, and now you got dirty plushies, or you lost some items or what have you. So they don't need packing material because I mean they're plush, but just to be wrapped in a bag would be something that would be great on the off chance that damage happens to the box, which happens more often than not. This box didn't have any damage, or at least I didn't see. So yeah, so anyway, but that would really suck for you to lose items from a hole, or in the box, or get dirty plush. Anyway, so let's dig into the first thing we have here. So what I got as my second item, oh, she's so cute, is a vault bear. So if you're not aware, here you could even see it on the tag. It says 25 years. Build-A-Bear is opening up their vault and re-releasing old Build-A-Bears they've had in the past, and I believe they're releasing maybe one per month, I do believe. And it's just all kinds of like different older plush that they had, maybe some of their most popular ones. So, and this is this month's one, I believe, and this one's called the Heart Bear, and it has, I see, okay, yeah, the special 25, is that what that says? 25 celebration Build-A-Bear collection. Okay, cool. So alrighty, this is my first time looking at this. Oh, that's cute. Is that rhinestones? Oh no, that's not rhinestones. That's embroidered stitching. Really, really cute. Let's get her eyes open a little bit, little fur in her eyes. Oh, there we go. She's cute. Big tag. That's a big tag. Bigger tag than usual, I do believe. I don't know why that is. Now, if you happen to have one of the original of these, let me know down in the comments, because then maybe you could get one and do a comparison, and let me know. That would be great. So, yeah, nothing, fancy. I just got her because she's cute. She has a heart belly, and I love her colors, of course. These are my type of colors. Yeah, pretty cute. And I do like the signature 25th collection on there, so it's a collector edition. Alright, so let's dig into the meat of the package here. I got this, I did this order specifically to get this one as an online exclusive strawberry milk cow. And I love strawberry milk. I'm the old school Nesquik strawberry milk fan. Used to come out of the old tins from back in the day. And I know these, like, I don't know who had, oh, that's so cute. Love that. Love that. It's so pretty. Absolutely love that. Just kind of reminds me of like strawberry shortcake dolls and accessories, and even old clothing. As a toddler, I had a dress that had strawberries all over it, which is why I love them. So I don't, oh, it smells too. I can smell it. I forgot this does come with a strawberry smell. Oh, I can smell it really, really, really good. All right, give me a second, guys. I'm gonna have to sniff it. Oh yeah, it smells good. So, anyways, I don't know what company originally wanted, like either the Kawaii Plush companies or something like that, but someone came out with a strawberry milk cow. I know people went crazy for it, and it became kind of like hard to find. I don't remember what company or who did it. I just know that it was a popular item, and then I guess Build-A-Bear caught on to that and decided to make themselves their own strawberry milk cow. Super cute. Let's see anything on the paws. Build-A-Bear on that paw. Let's see what we got on the back. Oh, I can definitely smell is definitely in. She has a cute, long, semi-long tail. Really, really loving the bottom prumpets. Big old tag again. That must be something new they're doing. That's a big tag. Oh, has a feel to it. A certain feel, different feeling than other Build-A-Bears. The felt feeling, fur, whatever. It's nice and soft, and she's super, super cute. Oh my god, just absolutely love this plush. Her cute little horns. Yeah, so let's put her down and give final thoughts. So I'm absolutely loving this. The smell, I could definitely smell from, I won't say far away, but I could definitely smell it when I picked it up. And it does come with that. I do believe you can opt to not have it, but I believe it's kind of like included, and you just pay like a couple extra bucks for it. Which, I mean, if you're going to have a strawberry milk cow, you have to have a strawberry scent. Super, super cute. Really love the bottom of the feet with that strawberry print. And let's see her tag, see if we got anything special. Nope. Nothing special on the tag. And, oh, okay. I think there's the birth certificates and stuff down there. Let's dig in, and I believe that's the scent right there. Sentinel strawberry one. Oh, I was like sitting there smelling the bag. I'm like, oh, there it is. The bag's empty because the scent is already in the plush. Duh. So yeah, she barely has a little birth certificates here. Yep, there we go. Oh, that's for the other one. And then that's the other one is down there is probably for the strawberry milk cow. But yeah, anyway, so I'm really, really loving this the strawberry milk cow. Feels different than other Build-A-Bears for sure. This is online exclusive, so you won't be able to find this in stores and feel it and smell it and all that good stuff. I would definitely say it's worth ordering, you know, either to catch a sale or a free shipping deal like I did, or what have you. I actually believed I got it, I want to say the first day that it released. And for some reason it was at a lower price than it is now, like by like $3 or $4 or something. Like I believe it's like $26 and I paid like 22 for some reason when it first released. So I do believe I got it a little cheaper than what it is now. But hey, for $26 for a Build-A-Bear, and she's actually pretty big. 16 inches, or no, that's what the other one said. That's for the Vault Bear. But yeah, it's pretty big, pretty cute. Aw, maybe I should name him Nesquik. I like that, Nesquik. I think that'd be a cute name for it. But yeah, anyway, so if you guys are interested in this type of thing, I would definitely say snag it up, as it is online exclusive and it could be sold out soon, because I know strawberry milk cows are pretty popular, especially with people who collect kawaii type of plush, which I do. So I was even worried this was going to sell out on the first day for some reason, but it didn't. I do believe it's still up on the website. And then, of course, with the special 25th anniversary Vault Bear that I have, I don't know what I'm going to name that one yet. But yeah, anyway, I think that is the conclusion of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot to me. And if you haven't already, definitely you know, ring the notification bell so you guys know when I post new videos. I usually try to post once a week. I do a lot of unboxings here. I get a lot of variety of toys, from American Girl dolls to Build-A-Bears to vintage to modern to accessories to the whole nine. So hit that like button and drop a comment and let me know which one you like the best out of these two, and let me know if you're gonna pick up any of these, but especially the strawberry milk cow. So talk to me down in the comments, and other than that, I guess I'll check you out later. Bye.